What is up, guys? Danny this side. So in this video, I'll give you a step-by-step beginner's guide on using Zoho campaigns, a powerful email marketing tool that helps you create, send, and track email campaigns easily. It is perfect for small businesses, freelancers, and marketers. So let's get started. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Zoho campaigns. Here you will see the first official website of Zoho campaigns. Click on this website. And after clicking, you will be redirected to this sign up page of Zoho campaigns. From here, you need to write your name, email, password, and your phone number, and then click on sign up for free. Now, after login or signing in, you'll land on the dashboard. Here's a quick overview. In the campaigns section on the left side, it is where you create email campaigns. The contact section is to manage subscribers and mailing list. The library section is to store your images and templates, and the automation section, it builds email workflows, and then the reports section track campaign performance. Let's begin by setting up your mailing list. Now, to set up your first mailing list, on the screen at the left side, click on this Contacts tab and then click on Manage List. Now, from here, click on Create List. On the right side, as you can see, this is the option of Create Link. Just simply click on Create List and then give the name of your list. After giving the name, hit the button Save, and then you need to choose from these, like how would you like to get contacts in your list. Here are four options: to add contacts, import contacts, sync contacts, and sign up form. If you don't want any of these four options, just simply click on I'll add them later. And now let's set up the sender details. To set up the sender details, on the right side at the top, you can see this gear-like icon, which is the settings. Click on it once. But remember guys, before sending your first campaign, you must verify your sender email. In the settings icon on the right side, you can see the sender details. Click on it and then verify all your sender details. If you have not registered, click on register now and then select your country. And after that, you just need to wait and then just click on next. And now let's create your first email campaign. To create an email campaign, on the left side of the screen, click on this campaigns tab and then click on email campaigns. After that, at the center, you can see the create campaign button. Click on this and then you can choose what type of campaign would you like to create, like a regular email and A/B testing, RSS, Zoho meeting, GoToWebinar, Eventbrite, SurveyMonkey, and Zoho survey. Here are some multiple options that you can choose from. I'll just create a regular email, hover to it, and then simply click on create new, and then enter your campaign name. And after that, click on save and proceed. Now it sends me that activate your account to get started with Zoho campaigns. Just send a message to the link to confirm your email address. Now to create an email campaign, you need to add a subject, add the sender details, and you need to add the recipients. And from here, you can write your own content by just clicking on create content. And when you click on show advanced option, it shows you all the advanced options like contact scoring, response actions, and calendar. And when you are done, you will just need to hit the enter. So it will save your first email campaign. Or you can just keep clicking next to go to the summary and then send now or schedule it for later. Now let's get to the next step of tracking and reports. Now to create a report, on the left side, click on this reports tab and then you can see the multiple options to take the reports of sent campaigns, campaign-based reports, list-based reports, and SMS campaign-based reports. I'll just click on send campaigns so it will show you the report of the sent campaigns that you have sent. And now let's move to the next step, which is create an email automation. To create an email automation, on the left side, click on this automations tab and then click on create my first workflow, or you can click on create workflows. So after clicking, you will see the two options of simple follow-up series or 10-day welcome series. I'll choose welcome series and I will click on use template. Now, after coming inside here, I need to first select the trigger like the email action, enter a segment, field update, open trigger, or cyclic trigger. I will select the open trigger and I will paste it here. And after that, I need to choose the process like the random split, merge, or the simple multi-way or email activity. I will go with the random split. And after that, I need to choose an action like the send email, A/B test, send SMS, or add to list, remove from list. And here are some multiple options that you can choose from to go to the action. So I'll just click on send email. I'll drag it and drop it here. So this will make a connection. And from here, click on create message to add the automation message. And then when you are done setting up your automation, just simply click on activate to activate your automation. And now let's move to the another step of email sign up forms. To create that, on the left side, click on the contacts icon and then click on sign up forms. After clicking on sign up forms, you will be welcomed to a new page. Then click on this create new form. And after that, you need to choose a template for your sign up form. You can choose from these pre-built templates, or if you have a custom template, you can enter or integrate that too. Now, let's say I like this one, so I'll just hover to it and then click on use template to use this template in my sign up form. And as you can see, I can edit this all from here. And when I'm done, I'll click on save and proceed. And after proceeding, I will add my response. From here, I can click on edit response and then edit all my responses according to my wish and requirements and what I want on submission, on confirmation, on resubscription. I can set it all. And when I click on show advanced option, here is the beacon tracking, push to Zoho CRM and push to workflow. I can add all this. And now let's move to the next step, which is the tips and better practices to practice on Zoho campaigns. Now, here are the 5 quick tips for successful email campaigns. First one is keep the subject line short and clear. The second one is personalize email using contact names. Third one is always add an unsubscribe link. The fourth one is avoid spammy words like free, guarantee, or earn fast. And fifth one is test different email timings. Every audience is different. And that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.